Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello, my dear friends. This is Oleg. Today, make cryptocurrency forecast for major cryptocurrency. This is a Bitcoin. This is Monero, Ripple, and Ethereum. I'm glad to salute you in our channel. Glad to see you in our subscribers. And if you like this video, please put your like and put notifications on. Okay, this formalities finished. Let's move on. There is one important fundamental factor in the market that the influence on cryptocurrency market too. This is America. This is American easing quantity easing program, which Democrats and Republicans debates and discuss in the Congress and try to formalize it and try to launch it. But there is some controversial questions in this discussion, in these negotiations, because Republicans want to decrease the amount of money of this program, and Democrats try to launch a program with $1.8 trillion for American economy. Why this question is important? Because if this program will be confirmed and will be launched, it would make additional pressure on the dollar, could move down the dollar price, and so cryptocurrencies prices become higher and higher. We are watching for this fundamental news. I think it's about several days or weeks when we can understand what's the future for this program. Okay, this is a fundamental factor. So we'll start with our technical analysis. First of all, it is necessary to see the king of cryptocurrencies is Bitcoin. So in our last forecast, in our last webinar, we discussed that price now in a triangle, and we're expecting what border will be destroyed, that's the next direction of the price. So we'll see that resistance line couldn't resist, and price made a foothold from this line, made a quite strong jump from this quite strong resistance level. So now we expand our line, our support line, our support trend, and what's going next. The next target for Bitcoin will be here. I mark it on the graph, and my friend, I remind you that you could see all our print screens in our social accounts. This is Twitter and this is Instagram. Links below this video, and I'm waiting for you there with a cup of coffee. Okay, while the price is above K pivot level and above the trend line, the main direction will be bull one. This first target. This is 400 47,000 for one Bitcoin. Okay, and the next one, the very strong psychological level is 50,000. So I think it's our main target, our main aim for current movement. But now it is very necessary to break down this top. Why? Because from this top point we can renew our lows, so it's the key level. For further movement, it is necessary to break down this ascending formation and to turn it to a ascending one. So watching for this fallish zone, and if the price could overhand this level, could make foothold, we can expect continuing growing until these two levels. If the price break down the trend line, the next stop will be the price of 30,000. So here we also can expecting continue uptrend movement if our downward correction will be finished, and from here we're formating the reversal 1 to 3 of zigzag pattern. It's also continue moving up. So this is two zones for uptrend. This is a trend line and this is a pivot level, pivot zone. So we make screenshot. I make screenshot, save it, and you can check it maybe today or at least tomorrow in Twitter and Instagram. Okay. Okay, I'm glad to salute Mark. Thank you for your likes, and we are continuing. The next our stop is Ethereum. Oh, it's Ethereum shows very fascinating movement, very strong bullish market in Ethereum. So it's above the pivot level, the trend line, everything moves up. So we here see also the acceleration of the price. So now we're watching for this trend line, accelerating trend line, so it's pivot level. Our targets will be here, and let's mark very good psychological level. It's 2000 for one Ethereum. Okay. Yeah, this one. Okay. So now one moment. No. I tried to delete this horizontal level. Come on. No. Okay. It is necessary something more powerful than the button delete for this horizontal level. Let's continue our forecast. So while the price is above the pivot level, trend line, we can expect continued movement up to this powerful psychological level. The second zone for buy positions, it's this one. It's a pivot level. It's a trend line, something about 1,600. So if the price will make correction to this zone, we expecting for reversal ascending pattern and continue buying up to this level. Okay, now I think that's enough for Ethereum. It's something about like Bitcoin, Bitcoin forecast, Bitcoin survey, but Ethereum could even accelerate the Bitcoin in this competition of Bitcoin rally. Okay, I'm also make print screen for Ethereum. Our next one is Ripple. Ripple shows very aggressive behavior, very strong jump, very sharp correction. I warned you in our last webinar that after this very fast movement, the correction could be very fast also, very deeper. So now the structure is not very reliable, but let's check it. We'll see the acceleration of the price from this point, but I recommend you to wait more patient movement, or maybe a correction to this trend line, this inner trend line. In this zone, the buy trades more reliable, and of course, we have not to forget about court against Ripple from the American regulator. So it is necessary to wait for trial decision. I remind you that it will be occur on 20th of February. So it is very important for Ripple to exit from this court with wild open eyes and with head up, not to lose this trial claim. Try to settle it, and if it will be success, it could be a very good boosting for Ripple movement up. So now, no, let's change our time frame. So now we are waiting the reaction of the price of this trend line. It's necessary to adopt it. Yeah, like this. But as for horizontal pivot level, the price tried to put hold above it, but bear bears players try to climb it out. So now I see two zones for buying Ripple. This is on this pivot level, and from this accelerating trend line up to these levels which we mark at our previous webinar. And the next buy trades it is will be opened when if the price could move closer to the inner trend line from this zone. It is necessary to zoom out the graph. Yeah, something like this. Okay, let's make once again our forecast. So the first buy level here, and our targets is our most distant target will be here. And the next variant, the next option for buy trades, it's inner trend line. So if the price move down, move this downward correction, it is necessary for us to wait the finishing of this correction, and after reversal pattern will be formed, we can arrange our buy trades from this zone. Okay, so something about poem for Ripple. Okay, and our last but not the least, the cryptocurrency pair is Monero. Where is it? Yeah, here we are. Here we'll see also continue moving up. Price try to accelerate from this zone. We'll see these EU levels. This is support points for Monero. Our goals also on a graph, but it's necessary to see the further go. Okay, this one and this one, and the distant target will be here. Okay, that's enough for us. Let's make our forecast. So now we are waiting. We're also waiting for the reaction of the price on this pivot level and trend line. So if it could pull the price up, push up the price, it could overhang this top and even more this one and this one. The key support zone for Monero is here. So for continuing moving up, it is necessary for bulls to defend this zone. So here, I think it's quite good enter point from this from this fusion of pivot level and trend line. Because of deeper correction, it is necessary to wait the price in close to these two levels. But I think now that's enough. That's enough for Monero. While the price is above the trend line and pivot level, our main direction is a north direction, is a buy positions. So my friends, now we'll see that cryptocurrencies become stronger and stronger because of this quantity easing, preparing of quantity easing program for USA. And if this program will be okay, will be launched, I think cryptocurrencies continue were growing because of printing of dollars. So printing is if printing dollars become more and more wider, it could influence to outvalue of the price of a dollar and upvalue the price of cryptocurrencies. So I wish, my friend, you good trades, good cryptocurrencies holdings, and earn money. But not to forget to make and to put your stop losses because of cryptocurrency aggressive behavior. Yeah, that screenshot. It's completed. So I'm glad to see you once again in our further forecast. If you if you don't want to miss our further webinars, please subscribe, put notifications on, and I very appreciate your likes, my friend. And I send my like to you. Good weekends. See you next time. Bye bye.
Audio Jungle.